Step by Step French Part 12. Dear friends, kindly watch the previous parts in a systematic way. It is mandatory if you want to really understand this lesson. Thank you. Let's get started. The consonant at the end of a word in French is not pronounced unless it is followed by an E. You will understand it by looking at the examples. The word restaurant in English, we pronounce that T at the end, but whereas the consonant T in French, it is not pronounced. For instance, restaurant in French, it is called restaurant. Restaurant. Now, how do you say in French, it is very small? It is very small. Small is called petit. Therefore, it is very small is called as c'est très petit. C'est très petit. Too or too much to indicate the quantity, you use the word in French trop. Trop. T-R-O-P. We don't pronounce P. Trop. The word late in French is called tard. Tard. We don't pronounce once again D. We just say tard. How do you say now? It is very late. It is very late. Think and say. C'est très tard. C'est très tard. How do you say it is too late? It is too late. C'est trop tard. C'est trop tard. Distinguish the difference between très et trop. How do you say now? It is too much for me. It is too much for me. C'est trop pour moi. C'est trop pour moi. The adjectives big or tall in French, it is called grand. Grand. We don't pronounce D at the end. How do you say he is big? He is big. Il est grand. Il est grand. Now, notice very carefully, how do you say she is big or she is tall in French? It is said as elle est grande. Elle est grande. Now the adjective after the masculine adjective E is added in case of a feminine noun. Now after the consonant D, E is coming. Therefore we pronounce as grande. Okay? She is small. How do you say it? Elle est petite. Elle est petite. Now the E, notice the E at the end of the adjective. Fast in French is called vite. Vite. It is very fast. How do you say it in French? C'est très vite. C'est très vite. It is too fast for me. It is too fast for me. How do you say it in French? C'est trop vite pour moi. C'est trop vite pour moi. To speak in French is called parler. Parler. In English we use the word parlor, the place where people sit and talk, speak. So parler means speak. You speak. How do you say it? You speak in French. Here you is a respectable you. Vous parlez. Vous parlez. Notice the conjugation EZ up for vous. We shall see the conjugations later. You speak too fast for me. You speak too fast for me. How do you say it in French? Vous parlez trop vite pour moi. Vous parlez trop vite pour moi. You go or you are going. How do you say it in French? Go, the verb is aller. A-L-L-E-R. You go becomes vous allez, but with liaison we say it vous allez. The Z comes between S and A. Vous allez. How do you say you are going too fast for me? You are going too fast for me. Think and give your answer. Vous allez trop vite pour moi. Vous allez trop vite pour moi. It is very good. How do you say it in French? C'est très bon. C'est très bon. So or very to express so much quantity, we use the word in French si. Si. The same word si can be used also as if in French. Now here it is used to express the quantity. It is so good. It is so good. How do you say it in French? C'est si bon. C'est si bon. So thank you. Merci. ధన్యవాదములు.